Hi there, my name is Jason Daines. I'm with Radiance Videography. And as a business owner in today's day and age, you're probably aware that it's vital, if not crucial, to have great video content as part of your marketing strategy. The first reason is going to be that Google loves YouTube. This means that you're going to be higher ranked on SEO, which is search engine optimization, and that the chances of you being seen go up 50 times higher than what they normally would have. The second reason is that it engages new customers. You see, 70% of the people in 2019 who watched a video pertaining to a particular product were more likely to buy that product. And next, video content for smartphone users, which is pretty much all of us, is crucial. 50% of the people said that they prefer some sort of instructional video when making a buying decision. And last but not least, it increases your ROI. 80% of businesses who use video content as part of their marketing strategy say they had a good return on their investment. You're probably wondering, what makes Radiance Videography different than most companies out there? Well, I'm glad you asked. You see, you're probably really great at what you do. Here's the thing, we're really great at what we do. And oftentimes, when businesses have to learn a whole different skill set, it takes them away from the very thing that they're great at, and therefore their business suffers from it. So let us do what we're best at, so that way you can do what you're great at. And together, we can build a marketing plan and help your business grow into the vision that you have for it. So go ahead and reach out to us at 636-515-7120. God bless you and have a great day.